Hi YouTube, welcome back for another Lego review, and this time it will be the Disney Lego minifigures from Disney. Alright, this is the latest release. Alright, I'm going to actually cut it out. I have 6 packs here. Thank you Lego Concept Store Malaysia for the giving me this to review. Alright, I mean the LCS in KL. Alright, and basically I'm going to open it pack by pack. Let's start with, I hope there's no repeated ones. And this time this is, okay, this one is from the villain from one of the from Mr. Incredibles. I can't remember the name. Alright, I think this is, I can't remember the name. Alright, okay, and here he is, and let me put him together. Okay, basically this is like Superman's or Batman's cape. Very nice figure. He's the villain for the Incredibles. I can't remember the name. The name escapes me, but I will let you guys know later. Alright, and basically he has an S in front, has only a single-sided face, and there's no print at the back. Basically he holds the this is the Omni Droid 87. He holds this plate piece here. Just fit it into his hand right here, and here's the stand. Alright, and I do like his hair. It's quite orange. It's just like one of the Dragon Ball characters. Alright, his feet is basically his boot is basically silver all the way to the sides. Quite nice. Alright, and this the Disney characters will have 18 characters altogether. However, I only have 6. I have a lot more to go. Put him there. And here's his second pack, and basically here are all the figures, 18 of them. Alright, I got the number 14. Alright, the second one, just cut it out here. And here is Peter Pan. Okay, another instruction book. Alright, this is how I put them together. And these are the blades. Just take it out. Alright, and here is Peter Pan in all his minifigure gloriness. Alright, it's basically a exact representation of the representation of the cartoon series. At the back, there's no print at the back. It's basically a nice figure, a nice Peter Pan face, happy face. Only one sided face, the same as the other one. And here are his knives. Be able to hold this properly. It's made out of soft plastic. It's also bendable. Okay, and it's a bit hard to put in. Right, I'll put him on the stand. Here's a closer look at Peter Pan from the Disney Lego minifigs. Right, I'll just put him here at the sides. Hopefully there's no repeat figure. And here's the third one. An instruction book. This time is the alien from Toy Story. You see, it will be easy to put him together. Just simple tweet tag in, and here you have the little three-eyed alien from the Toy Story series. Right, he is a nice figure himself. Okay, here's unique how he put this together. Alright, and there's only one print, I mean in uniform wise. Alright, and he is a very nice figure, well done. I understand from the old figure, this guy is a bit different. I don't know how that compare. However, here's the three-eyed alien, and here's the fourth one. They're going to open. And this time will be Aladdin, the genie from Aladdin. Okay, now this is how we put him together. And missing his head here. This is how we put him together. Just turn it to the front, put this down. This is his feet, genie feet. This is his head, and this is his hand, where you put it in here. And here's the stand. Alright, here's the genie's, there's the genie's, basically the lamp. Alright, and here's basically here's the same, the lower part of it is the same as the ghost apparition from the previous series, from the Halloween the monster series. And nice coloring, nice gold bits here on the arms, on the hair as well. And this is truly nice, truly nice representation of the genie from Aladdin. Alright, here I'm opening the next one. And you have the instruction booklet again, and this time I think it will be Mr. Incredible from the Incredibles again cartoon. Just put him together, the head and his hairpiece up here. You can see he is there's a smirk on his face. Very nice the Incredibles logo on this chest here. Okay, and there's only one side of the face as well. And here you have the Incredibles basically doing our part for the army over here. And basically you can let him hold his this part over here on this arm. And let's basically put him on stand again, and here's the last one. And the last one here for this first part of the review. The next one would be also one of the manuals, and we've got Buzz Lightyear. Okay, and he is an interesting figure to have. Basically, just put him in. Okay, just slide this in here. Right, and then stick this, the three pointing things here, the pack hole over here at the back, over here, here, and here. And then just stick the wings at the sides of each other. And here you have Buzz Lightyear. I didn't think I would actually. I'm quite lucky to have this. Alright, and basically he is the old one is basically you can cover the face. It's also having a smirk on his face right here. So let me remove this. Also a single-sided face, but it's well done. Alright, and this part here is quite loose. Let's try to tighten it a bit. Yep, it's much better. Put this back. Basically, on this figure, you have a lot of paint apps on him. So just look at the detail you have on the front. This Buzz Lightyear logo, the wingspan, his space suit, and also at the back. Alright, and this is the total of 6 figures that I have with me right now. For let me zoom in to review for the first wave of the first wave that was that I have right now. The villain, the name that escapes me, from the Incredibles, his Incredibles villain, Peter Pan, the alien from Toy Story, Genie from Aladdin, the Incredibles, Mr. Incredible, and this is the Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story as well. Alright, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more LEGO minifigure reviews in the future. This is Cool Boss 2008 signing off.